What if your dream of living in the U.S. permanently depends on a system most people don't fully understand? The U.S. green card system is the key pathway to becoming a permanent resident, allowing you to live and work in the United States without time restrictions. But the process behind it is far more complex than it seems. Green cards are mainly issued through 4 major routes: employment-based, family sponsorship, investment, and special programs like diversity visas or humanitarian categories. Each path has its own eligibility rules, documentation, and timelines. For employment-based green cards, employers must sponsor candidates and prove that no qualified U.S. worker is available for the role. Family-based green cards depend on relationships with U.S. citizens or permanent residents, but waiting times vary widely depending on the category. One of the biggest challenges is the annual cap on green cards. Because demand far exceeds supply, applicants from countries like India often face long backlogs, sometimes waiting years or even decades. The process also involves multiple steps: priority dates, visa bulletins, and final action dates, which determine when an applicant can move forward. Understanding how this system works is critical. It helps you choose the right path, avoid delays, and plan your long-term immigration journey with clarity. Because when it comes to the U.S. green card, knowledge isn't just power, it's timing.